was truly divine experience to witness such talent and dedication. Bravo! God cannot be everywhere and all time with us. That's why He gifted us with parents. Let's move toward our next program that is dedicated to our parents. Parents are the most significant individuals in our life. They are our first teachers, our first mentors, and our guiding light. From the moment we are born, parents are there to nurture us, support us, and shape us into the individuals we become.
Exactly, Khushi. जिसकी कोख से जन्म हुआ वह माँ, जिसके पेट पर खेलने में मजा आता वह पिता, जो धारण करती वह माँ, जो सिंचन करता वह पिता, जो गोद में लेकर सहराती वह माँ, जो हाथ में धरकर ऊंचा उठाता वह पिता, जो उंगली पकड़कर चलना सिखाती वह माँ, जो हाथ थामकर दौड़ना सिखाता वह पिता, जो आंचल तले छिपाती वह माँ, जो पिंजरे से बाहर निकालता वह पिता, जो व्याकुल होती वह माँ, जो संयम सिखाता वह पिता, जिसके सिवा जीवन नहीं वह माँ, जिसके सिवा भविष्य नहीं वह पिता.
Really, parents make countless sacrifices for their children. They put their children's need before their own, often going without so that their children can have the best. They work tirelessly to provide good education, proper health care, and quality life to their children. They sacrifice their time, energy, and resources to ensure that their children have every opportunity to succeed. They teach important life skills, values, and morals. They encourage us to pursue our passion and interest, and they support us through thick and thin.
No gift on the earth is greater, no treasure held above. The joy that comes from parents' endless love, it warms us, it protects us, and guides us from afar, shedding light upon us like a shining bright star.
Let us take a moment to appreciate our parents, to thank them for all that they do for us, and to celebrate their selfless love and devotion. Dear audience, put your hands together and welcome the little angels of playgroup who are coming to rock the stage with their wonderful moves and steps in our next program, प्यार का उत्सव. मेरे लिए मेरा जहान हो तुम, सबसे बड़ी पहचान हो तुम. अगर माँ ज़मीन है तो पापा मेरे लिए पूरा आसमान हो तुम.
ये तो सच है कि भगवान है मगर फिर भी अनजान है. ये तो सच है कि भगवान है मगर फिर भी अनजान है. धरती पे रूप माँ बाप का उस विधाता की पहचान है. ये तो सच है कि भगवान है. कर जिनकी उंगली है बचपन चला। कांधे पर बैठ के जिनके देखा जहां, ज्ञान जिनसे मिला क्या बुरा क्या भला। इतने उपकार है क्या कहें, ये बताना ना आसान है। धरती पे रूप माँ बाप का उस विधाता की पहचान है। ये तो सच है कि भगवान है।
Wow, your dance performance celebrating parents was incredibly touching and heartfelt. Thank you so much for this beautiful and meaningful presentation.
Shruti, have you ever thought about the importance of preserving our cultural heritage?
Yes, Khushi, I think it's crucial. Our heritage is what defines us as a people, connect us to our roots.
Exactly. Our dharohar is a treasure trove of our collective past, a legacy that has been passed down to us through generations.
And it's not just about preserving old buildings and artifacts. It's about keeping our tradition, customs and values alive.
Absolutely. Our heritage is what gives us sense of identity and belonging. It's what makes us unique and special.
I completely agree. That's why I think it's essential to teach our children about our cultural heritage and involve them in its preservation.
Yes, that's great idea. By doing so, we can ensure that our heritage continue to thrive and inspire our future generations.
And it's not just about our past. Our heritage also has power to shape our present and future.
Well said, Shruti. Our dharohar is a precious gift that we must cherish, preserve and pass on to future generations.
Surely it's matter of pride for us that our country is advancing rapidly in the field of science and technology. But the traditional art and skills are fading a decline. With a few youngsters taking up the professions, the future of Indian art forms hang in the balance.
Exactly. Just take the example of Madari, which was very common in the streets of Indian village. But now we rarely find a Madari giving his performance on the bustling street of India.
Khushi, the Madari is more than just a street performer. He is the guardian of India's rich cultural heritage. His art is a testament to the country's diversity, creativity and resilience. In the world of Madari, we find the glimpse of India's timeless and enduring spirit.
प्रिय दर्शकों, हमारी लुप्त होती हुई धरोहर